Monday morning at Friday Harbour. We're gonna try for some bass. Maybe if we get lucky, we'll hook into a pike or something big. Lake Simcoe's got a lot of species of fish. We're just leaving Friday Harbour now. Looks to be a really nice day. It's gonna be really hot. It's supposed to get up to 30. But it's not that hot right now. We've got a nice breeze. So we're hoping to catch some here in the morning before it gets too hot.
So peaceful out here, eh?
It's peaceful out here.
No more live music anytime soon, I heard, eh?
No more concerts for a while now. So we're just past Innisfil Beach, the launching area. Some nice homes and cottages around here. We're hoping to hook into a bass though. I'll give you an update soon. Hopefully we have a fish. Beautiful Lake Simcoe. Well, that almost felt like a bite. It'd be really nice to catch a fish while I'm recording. Sometimes you're fishing and you turn the camera off for a while and that's when you catch a fish. So we're trying to leave it on as much as possible, but then you've got the issue with the batteries. Thought I had a bite. Might have just been the bottom. Lake Simcoe. Beautiful day. Really calm out here. We're close to shore now. We're by an island, not far from Friday Harbour. I'm seeing fish in the water. We've seen a few small fish going towards the hook. Nothing big enough to catch though, or to hook. I feel lucky around this spot though. We're close to shore. The bass have finished spawning. There's 3 other fishing boats in the area. This has got to be a good spot.
It's going.
Small bass.
Yeah. Not bad, not bad.
These were not skunked.
Not bad.
You went for it.
Ah, it's good enough. Little small.
First fish of the year. First fish from Simcoe.
Looks.
Is it filming?
Yeah, it's filming. It's 26 seconds.
I might have to get my needle noses out. These
Oh,
are good
shit.
hooks.
Oh, do you want to get some gloves and whatever?
I need to get my needle noses out.
Yeah. Okay, I'm
It's a
filming.
bass. It's jumping. It's not
Okay,
big.
we got another
See
one.
The water's so clear in Simcoe, eh?
Okay, we got
You
Mark
can see them
here
from a while. It's
kicking
just another bass.
kicking some major butt. Oh, this one looks bigger.
Yeah,
This one looks bigger.
that's pretty cool. That looks good in the clean water. I've never caught fish like this in such clean water.
Oh, beautiful.
Nice little
Oh,
bass.
this one's a big one.
No, it's not that big.
It's pretty big.
A little bigger than the last one.
Hold on, let me get it.
Let me get to this side.
Beautiful, Mark.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
That is a little bigger than the last one.
It's definitely bigger, dude.